Your heart is the engine that keeps your body running, tirelessly pumping blood and oxygen to every cell. When it's not functioning properly, your entire body can feel the effects. Recognizing the early signs of heart problems can be crucial for timely intervention and treatment. Here are 5 key indicators that your heart might be in trouble. 1. Chest pain or discomfort. Imagine you're taking a leisurely walk, and suddenly, a pressure builds in your chest. It feels like someone is squeezing your heart. This is often how chest pain or discomfort manifests. It might be brief or prolonged and can occur during physical activity or at rest. Chest pain is frequently associated with angina or heart attacks, making it a critical symptom that shouldn't be ignored. If you experience sudden or severe chest pain, seek medical attention immediately as it could indicate a heart attack. 2. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath can feel like you're trying to catch air but can't quite fill your lungs. This symptom, especially during routine activities or while lying down, signals that your heart might not be pumping efficiently. When fluid builds up in the lungs due to heart issues, breathing becomes challenging. Imagine trying to walk up a flight of stairs but feeling winded after just a few steps. This could be an alarming sign of conditions like heart failure or pulmonary edema. Consulting a healthcare provider is essential if you frequently find yourself out of breath. 3. Fatigue and weakness. Persistent fatigue and weakness can turn everyday tasks into Herculean efforts. When your heart is unable to pump enough blood to meet your body's needs, you may feel constantly tired and weak. This is particularly noticeable during or after physical activities you once managed with ease. For instance, if gardening or walking the dog leaves you exhausted, it could be a sign of heart failure. Chronic fatigue warrants a thorough medical evaluation to determine if your heart is the underlying cause. 4. Swelling, edema. Swelling in the legs, ankles, feet, or abdomen, known as edema, can signal that your heart is struggling. When the heart's pumping ability is compromised, blood can back up in the veins, causing fluid to accumulate in tissues. Picture your legs feeling heavy and swollen by the end of the day, making it hard to move around. This type of swelling often worsens throughout the day and can lead to discomfort and reduced mobility. Persistent edema should prompt a visit to your healthcare provider, as it could indicate worsening heart function. 5. Irregular heartbeat, arrhythmia. An irregular heartbeat, or arrhythmia, can feel like your heart is skipping beats or fluttering in your chest. This abnormal rhythm can cause dizziness, lightheadedness, or even fainting. Consider someone who experiences palpitations while sitting quietly. This could be a sign of atrial fibrillation, where the heart beats irregularly and often rapidly. Arrhythmias can increase the risk of stroke and other complications. If you notice an irregular heartbeat, it's important to seek medical evaluation to determine the cause and appropriate treatment. Conclusion: your heart is a vital organ, and recognizing the signs of potential problems is crucial for maintaining your health. Chest pain, shortness of breath, fatigue, swelling, and irregular heartbeats are all indicators that your heart may not be functioning properly. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to seek medical attention promptly. Early diagnosis and intervention can make a significant difference in managing heart conditions and improving your overall quality of life. Always listen to your body and don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional if something doesn't feel right. Your heart's health is too important to ignore.